Good day, tubes. How's she going? Today, last night and today we were supposed to get a windstorm. It's not actually that windy, though. Like 100 kilometers of wind. Wasn't that. Anyway, so we are gonna go see the waves. And, sorry, I'm tired. We're gonna go see the waves. I'm not gonna get out of the car because it's just be too windy. So, hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah. Isn't me? There's buds on the tree already. Sure looks like this. Better not be. That'll be a nasty surprise. But we're never. There's no snow on the radar. It's like 7 degrees every day. So, yeah. Last time we did this, we got dumped after January. We got hammered. I think Devin's coming. I don't know either. There's the lake. It's not as wavy as I thought it would be.
No, it's not as frozen as I thought it'd be either.
It's high though.
It is high and choppy.
Okay, here we are at the ocean. We'll see how wavy it is or not.
Yes.
Hello, kid. You're not. You're kind of a kid.
He's kind of a kid. Trouble getting their clothesline to stay up.
It's very bright outside today.
It is, actually. I wouldn't want to be getting the lobster traps today. Oh, seasick.
It's pretty nice down there today.
Oh, it's a little bit stormy out there today.
It's probably stormier earlier.
Yeah, probably. Look it!
What?
The tide's out.
Do you know how windy it's gonna be out there? Yeah, can you stop for a minute? Stop. Oh, gee.
There you go. Stop. You said to stop.
You're gonna get video for Devin's camera? Should I?
Yeah, if you'd like. Not the coast. Oh, the Coast Guard. Yes,
Yeah.
it is. Corporal McLaren, something or t'other.
Little Joe's still there.
Yay! I love my little Joe so much. Oh, there's a lobster trap. That would be a good place to go sea glassing along there.
Yeah. My birthday, I'll say that.
Whoa, Nelly.
Shippies.
Shippies. Oh, I don't know if I'll make it to the.
Probably not.
I don't know. Might.
We'll pass a try. Oh, there's a spot in there. There's the boat. I can't see the waves though. They're not that big though.
No, the surf's not that big today. It's because the tide's low.
Yeah, I guess. Video for Devin.
Oh, yes. How do I turn this bugger on? Thing on?
Open up. Open it up.
And it goes on automatically?
Yeah, just
Well, that...
Just got play it.
So much more high tech than yours.
Shut up.
Here we have an NYK line coming in today. And the waves actually aren't as big as I thought. We thought they might be today because...
They were this morning.
They were this morning, and the tide is also low, so that makes a big difference.
But Mom took forever at Frenchie's.
Yes, I was shopping by myself for a change. The guy honking at me?
His door.
So after this shippy, there's an oil tanker. So let's see how close. Okay, I'm testing the zoom out here.
It's
Wait a minute,
just
I'm gonna zoom over here.
Why?
Oh, all I can see are twigs. It's zooming in on those. It does have a good zoom, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's not even halfway. You can turn on more.
Well, I can get right to the end of those rocks, and it's not shaky at all.
I can too, it's not shaky.
Oh, sure. Yeah, let's go to Ferguson's Cove.
It just gets blurry when it's fully in.
All right. I wonder where they're going to tug him into. Maybe that spot right there, do you think?
No.
Oh, no. He might be going right the way in. Look at the waves are pretty. The swells are pretty big coming in here, really.
Yeah, I guess.
Because it doesn't usually get wavy. Bobby. Okay, so here we have, I don't know the name of the ship. Let's see. NYK Deans. And I think he might be empty. There's 2 tugboats over here waiting for him. Where'd the other one go? It must be kind of behind him, I think. There. The window is filthy.
New York Kings.
What?
New York Kings.
Oh.
NYK.
Yeah.
I don't know what it stands for.
I don't know what it stands for either.
Something to look up, I guess.
New York, Hong Kong. We'll have to look that up.
Panama.
New York City, but city spelled with a K. Second.
What?
Okay, so NYK stands for Nippon Yusen Kaisha Lines. So it sounds Japanese. Is it Japanese? Oh, for Pete's sakes, Ben.
Let me see.
It's either Chinese or Japanese. It's Oriental, anyway. Nippon Yusen Kaisha. Sounds like karate class. Why am I just looking at this randomly here? There's Point Pleasant Park over there.
I don't know.
What's it say? I'm trying to figure out what country, or what.
Oh, just country.
Yeah, what country owns the shipping line?
I just clicked on a stupid one. Country info. I'm using all my data for this.
I'm sorry.
It just has all the freaking companies. Oh, look at my home.
We gotta look now!
Help.
Who owns, what country is NYK shipping lines from?
I looked that up on Google, it just comes up with this. Why are you locking the doors?
Because this person parked behind me is making me nervous.
Here, I'll look on Wikipedia.
Wikipedia?
Tokyo, Japan.
Yes! Woo!
There you go. Now turn off my data.
He's
Turn
going
off
over
the
there,
data.
Fur. I'm telling you, they're going to tug him into that part right there. Oh, there it comes.
The window's dirty, so I apologize for the spots.
Yeah, they're really dirty. It's called CSL Tacoma. That's a Laker.
That's in Australia. That's in Arizona.
Tacoma, Washington.
No, Arizona.
Tacoma,
No,
Arizona.
wait, that's the wrong place. Never mind.
Tacoma, Washington. I think it's Washington.
Yeah, never mind. Don't listen to me.
Okay.
You never do anyways.
That boat's going up and down.
She didn't hear me. I see somebody
You do? Where?
at the back.
Okay, I'm looking. This is probably going to be the craziest video.
Not the back. You see that red door on the side?
Yes.
He just went in. No.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, yeah, there he is, walking. You see him still?
Yeah. This is probably going to be Devin's craziest video ever. Oh, it needs to be painted.
I want to go on the lifeboat.
Oh, there's somebody else on the top.
Yeah, I said I would catch on fire.
Yeah.
At Devin.
Oh.
Good Devin.
There's the... Okay.
What?
Oh, no, it's not the one with the green blanket. See the one beside it?
Yeah.
See the top of it?
That's what I'm looking at.
Well, I wasn't! So last week, earlier this week, Mike and I came by here and the whole back of this boat was open. It's just all totally burnt out. It is on land, so yes.
Lake was empty. Well, not empty, but almost empty in the summer. And this spot was empty in the summer.
Yeah, it was. There was people playing hockey in there the other day.
Now it's all filled back up.
It's all filled up again. Hope they're not playing hockey out there today.
I don't think they would. Okay, we're going home. We got some ice cream. Sorry for the shakiness. These bumps on the roads. We got Devon chocolate mint cup ice cream, Chapman's.
Oh, it's from Granch's place.
Yeah, Ontario.
Markdale.
Markdale. I know I've been past there.
I know.
When I went to last summer. No. Last time I was there in the summer.
Oh, right,
We
yes.
drove past.
Yes. Look at the sky.
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty. Pretty.
Oh, yes, the door game. Let's see here. No.
Oh, somebody's leaving their house. No!
What?
Never mind. There's your car.
Yeah, there's my dream car right there, Challenger.
Now don't go out in front of me, please. Thank you. Oh. Blast. Blast.
No. Oh, yep, there's one. Back
One.
there. Oh, dang it.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, they're probably home game going. Don't know their
One.
names.
Oh, he's going in the mailbox. You. Oh. We might have to play rock, play rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
One.
There's
Oh.
this guy again.
Wow, it's so pretty. Pretty.
Purdy. Oh, we gotta play rock, paper, scissors. You're tied.
Okay, let me get on the flat road.
It's not really flat.
Well, straight.
Go in front of this car and see what happens.
No! You want to pay for the insurance?
Not really. You go. Then you go.
And then me go.
Then me go.
Amigo.
And you stop. You stop.
All right. Are you ready? First 3 out of 5.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. One. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
I'll repeat 6.
2. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
2.
Rock, paper, scissors. You can't do that. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah! Shit, doesn't rock again.
I won.